Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see viewers, in this video I am providing you most amazing, attractive and gorgeous designs of crochet hand-knitted skirts. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of most attractive collection. So ever share this video with your family and lovely friend who want these type of amazing ideas. I hope they will love this beautiful collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs. You can must apply these beautiful designs for more beautiful and outclass look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's a most amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay viewers, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.